Hi, I'm P.S. Spies. I play number 8 for the Springboks. In my own life, I think Nelson Mandela has made a huge impact in the sense that it shows you the impact one life can make in a lifetime through hardships, sacrifice. He has left a legacy worth changing millions of people's lives, and he has set a great example for all of us to follow. I think he has made a very significant impact in South African rugby in '95. Just when he walked out at Ellis Park, number 6 on his back, really just got everyone going in a very crucial time in our country's history. All the tests he watched, we never lost. So he has been a very good sign of hope and also a very good token of luck. Personal message to Mandela is just a big thank you for what you have done in our country, for the life you have lived. You've been an inspiration to us, and you've paid a very high price, and you've led the way for people to follow.
The Nelson Mandela Sport and Culture Day. Let's all unite for Mandela at FNB Stadium on 17th August 2013. One man, one nation, one celebration. Tickets available at CompuTicket now.